All right, folks. As I promised, I would be doing upgrades slowly to the garage. We've had about 6 people come in here with 40 to 44 footer, 145. Most of them 44s, Tiffins and all that good stuff. So what I did, I improved the light system. Okay, I'm gonna show you. There you go. I got it all back in here. I can back this bad boy up now just with these. I can see it and bring it in on an angle. I'm going to hold off. I got 3 LED 4,000 looms each. I was going to put some there, but my wood furnace came in today. I got to go get it and put it in right here. So we're slowly improving, right? And I still got some other improvements to do. I'm going to put you on pause. All right, so there is a minute. I just did them today. I got 8 footers there and there, right? Remember I showed you how it is? That's the propane heater. It was costing $2 or $3 grand a winter to heat this garage. But now the wood furnace is going there. All right, we're getting there, huh? I'll make that video as we go along. Thank you. This is Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. You know who I am. CEO. What's the motto? Test, not guess. Test, not guess. You got it.